So there are certain conclusions which have to be remembered when you're coming to the calculations of various operations on irrational numbers. That is, you have to remember, I will tell you the golden rules that have to be remembered always when you are doing any operations on irrational numbers. So let's see what you have. Just see, if it is root a b, this can be written as root a and root b. For example, I am having root 15. Root 15 can be written as root 5 into 3. This is nothing but ab. So this can be written as root 5 into root 3. Okay, this is how it is. We can, this 15, it can be 5 3s are 15, so this can be written as 5 into 3. Second important thing is root a plus root b into root a minus root b. So this is equal to root a whole square minus root b whole square. That is, you remember in the algebraic formula, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this is nothing but a minus b. This is an important, that is, if I have example root 5 minus root 3 and root 5 plus root 3. So this is equal to, again, a minus a, this is root 5 whole square minus root 3 whole square using this formula. So again, 5 minus 3, so is equal to 2. Okay, this is another important formula you'll have to remember. And the next important question to remember is root a plus root b whole square. So this is again nothing but you have a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab in plus b square. So this is nothing but a plus 2ab plus b. This is the formula which has to be remembered. When it is minus, this becomes minus. When this is minus, this will also become minus. Okay? You have another important thing to remember. Now in this case they were similar, a and b, a and b. Now when it is not similar, it is a plus root b, and I am having here root c minus root d. Okay, so in this case what happens, this is root a into c minus d, root c minus root d. This plus will come out, plus, now this you are going to take root b, root c minus root b. Okay, this is equal to, if it is minus, this is minus. If it is plus, so if it is plus, this will also become plus. And if this is minus, this will become minus. Okay, so this is root AC. So I'm taking the first one, plus minus minus, and then minus root AD plus and plus root BC plus and minus root BD. So depending on that, you have to do your calculations. I hope that is clear. Now let us start with some example. That is, you have root 3 plus root 7 whole square. That is a plus b whole square. So this is equal to root 3a square plus, so this is plus 2ab, that is root 3 into root 7 plus root 7 whole square. So this is equal to 3 plus 2, 7 3 is 21, root 21 plus 7 is 7. So this is going to be 3 plus 7, 10 plus 2 root 21. This is going to be the answer. Okay, this is the answer. You cannot do it for even decimal form. Yes, you get a square root to 21 in decimal form, multiply it by 2, then and then you get a 1 number. Or else you can stop it here itself. Okay. Now you have, let us see another sum. You have 5 plus root 7 and 2 plus root 5. So this is again a plus b, they're different digits, so different numbers. So you have to say 5, this 2 plus root 5, this plus will come here, root 7 into 2 plus root 5. So this is equal to 5 2s are 10 plus 5 root 5 plus this will be 2 root 7 plus root what? 7 into 5, 35. So this is going to be 10 plus, okay, you can just keep this as it is, 5 root 5 plus 2 root 7 plus root 35 will be your answer. If you want, 35 can be 7 5s are 35, so root 5 again complicated, so you can leave the answer here itself. Okay, you can leave it. You have the next sum, you can just see it says 5 plus root 5 and 5 minus root 5. This again a minus plus b, a minus b. So you remember the formula. It is a square minus b square, right? So what is a here? A is nothing but 5 square minus b is root 5 whole square. So 5 whole square is 25 minus root 5 whole square is 5. So this is equal to 25 minus 5 will come as 20. Okay, will be 20. I have another sum which says root 11 minus root 7 in the bracket and in the root 11 plus root 7. So this is nothing but again a square minus, as I told you, it is a square minus b square. So this becomes root 11 whole square minus root 7 whole square. So this is equal to 11 minus 7. So this is equal to 4. Now that you have understood some basic procedures of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational numbers, now let us see how do we rationalize a denominator. You may get a question, so rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator basically happens when you have an irrational number as a part of the denominator. Okay, let us see how do we do that. The question is rationalize denominator. 1 by root 2 you have been given. So whatever is the irrational part, multiplied on with or not. Numerator and the denominator should be multiplied by this irrational number. So 1 by root 2 into root 2 by root 2. So root 2 into root 2 is, this is numerator, 1 into root 2 becomes 1 root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So your answer will remain this. Okay. Let's see another question is rationalize denominator. Rationalize denominator. The given is 1 by 2 plus root 3. So when you rationalize the denominator, you have to get it in the form a square minus b square. So if I want to get it to a square minus b square, I should get it as a plus b, a minus b. In the same way, I have already here a plus b. So I should be getting a minus b. So I will multiply. If this is plus here, I'll have to have minus. So I will multiply both numerator and denominator a minus root 3. And here also I'll multiply 2 minus root 3. A minus plus b, a minus b. So I have a plus b, a minus b. So this is nothing but numerator 2 minus root 3. This is a plus b, a minus b, which I remember. A plus b, a minus b. So it is nothing but a square minus b square. So this becomes 2 square minus root 3 whole square. So this is equal to 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 square is nothing but 4 minus root 3 whole square is 3. So this is equal to 2 minus root 3 divided by 1. Or else you can say 2 minus root 3 is your answer. 2 minus root 3 is your answer. Another example, if you want to say, I'll show you another example. It is rationalize 5 by root 3 minus root 5. Again, this has to be seen. This is negative. So nothing but you remember keep these numbers as it is. Only change the sign of the in between these two numbers. So this is negative. So I need a rationalizing factor will be root 3 plus root 5. This will be the rationalizing factor. Okay. So this is going to be root 3 plus root 5. My main intention is to get it in the form a plus b, a minus b, so that I get a square minus b square. So this is nothing but I'll keep again 5 into root 3 plus root 5. Okay, and now here you have a square minus a plus a minus b, and you have a plus b. So this is equal to root 3 whole square minus root 5 whole square. So this will become 5 root 3 plus root 5 divided by 3 minus 5. That is equal to minus 5 by 2, because here you're getting minus, into root 3 plus root. This is going to be your answer. Now, based on what I have taught you, you can solve exercise 1.4. If you have any problems in solving, please get back to me in the comments and I shall surely help you out on it. Okay, but make an attempt on yourself, by yourself, to solve exercise 1.4. It will be really, they are basically on the same line that I've told you, finding the rationalizing factor. If you have any problems, please let me know. I will surely help you out. Okay, thank you.